Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by determining whether you must file Form 1099 NEC. Any payee paid 00 or more in non-employee compensation during the year generally requires a 1099. Gather each vendor's legal name, EIN or SSN, mailing address, and total payments for the calendar year so you can enter accurate data. Confirm whether payments were for services versus goods, and exclude payments made to corporations unless exemptions do not apply. Note the January 31 deadline to provide payees their 1099 copies and the 00 threshold that triggers reporting. Open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Vendors, then select Prepare 1099 to start the built-in wizard that walks you step by step. Choose the correct year, review vendor information, and map expense accounts to the correct 1099 boxes, such as 1099 NEC Box 1 for non-employee compensation. For each payee, enter or verify the EIN or SSN, mailing address, and total payments. QuickBooks will calculate totals from recorded transactions. Complete the review screen carefully, correct any mapping errors, and save the 1099 forms. Provide recipients their 1099s by January 31 and file with the IRS or SSA by the same January 31 deadline when required. Use QuickBooks e-file service for a streamlined submission or print recipient copies and file paper forms with the SSA or IRS if you cannot e-file. Keep proof of mailing or electronic confirmation. If you discover errors after filing, prepare corrected 1099s promptly in QuickBooks and submit corrections to the SSA and recipients to avoid penalties, and keep accurate records for audits and year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.